my beautiful and handsome people. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome, welcome, welcome. This is a new episode of Story Time. So guys, we say treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people how you want people to treat you. Don't treat people badly and you expect that those people to treat you well. If you treat people badly, expect worst from the people you treated badly. Expect worst. Yeah. Sometimes you don't want to support people when people have a problem. You don't want to support them, but you expect that when you have a problem, you want to be supported. It does not happen. 21st century, the way you treat people is the way you'll be treated. If you don't invite people to your events, when they do an event, they'll not even invite you. They'll not even think of you, because when you have an event, you don't call them to your event. You don't even call them to help you do something. So when they have an event, how do you expect them to invite you to their events? And then you don't invite people to your events, and when they do their events, you start saying that, rich people like doing events alone. How? And you're the one who doesn't want to contribute anything. When people are contributing, you don't want to contribute. When there's an event in your house, you don't want to invite people. Even for them to just cook for you, you don't want to invite them. But now when they have an event, you want to be invited. You want to be everywhere. You want to be the cook. You want to serve people. People won't invite you as long as you're not inviting them to your. And then when there is anything, let's say you're in a village and there is anything to contribute. Let's say someone lost somebody. You don't want to contribute. You don't even go to say sorry. You don't go. But when something like that happens to you, you want everybody to come. You're the victim. And when somebody else lost somebody, you are not there for them. But when you lose somebody, you just want people to be there. And if they are not there, you become angry. You forget that you never contribute anything in their lives. You don't contribute. If people are contributing for somebody to go to school, you don't contribute. But when you want your children to go to school, it's like it's a must for people to contribute for you. Like it's a must. But you don't contribute for other children to go to school. Guys, I'm telling you, you'd be shocked. People will not come to their rambe. You just stay there waiting for people. No one will come because you don't support others when they have problems. It's not because these people hate you, but they hate the fact that you don't want to support people when they're in problems and you want to be supported. They hate the fact that you want people to be there for you every time when you have problems. But when other people have problems, you are not there to be seen. You don't even come. Sometimes you don't even have money, but you just come to assist doing some work. Yeah, just doing some work. You assist emotionally, mentally, physically. But you are just there in your house sitting, and you don't even want to do anything in the village or anywhere you live. You don't want to help people, and you expect people to help you. It's not happening in 21st century. It's not happening in 21st century. Kitambo, you could do that, but these days, people will treat you exactly the way you treat them. And even they can treat you worse than the way you treat them. If you treat people nicely, if you treat people nicely, they'll be nice to you. If you contribute in every arambe, in everything that they are contributing, wherever you live, people contribute to you. Even if you contribute emotionally, physically, or doing the chores, people will still help you when you have problems. But if you're not there, no one will even help you. Oh, okay. Not even just helping like that. There is those people who are always mean to people. And they expect these people, the ones they have been mean to, when they tell them something mean, they expect you to laugh. Yeah, they expect you to laugh and be happy about what they said. And if you're not happy about what they told you, if you're not happy or you get angry, they call you toxic. And they are the ones who are mean to you. Somebody is mean to you and they expect you to be happy. Hey, that's high level of toxicity. Because you don't talk to somebody so badly and you expect them to talk to you well. It does not happen like that. Be nice to me, I be nice to you. Treat me badly, I treat you badly. Bring it on, I bring it on. Yeah, that's life. Because if you become so nice to people, they take advantage of it. They'll always want you to be nice to them, but they can never be nice to you. So, if somebody bring it on, bring it on too. Yeah. So, guys, okay, there are those people, okay, who like bullying people too. They just bully you for nothing. They'll just tell you your eyebrows are bad and they'll start bullying you. And now when you start telling them something in their body is bad too, they'll start a fight. But they don't remember they were talking to you badly. They were telling you how bad you look. They were telling you how ugly you look. And they just expect you to tell them, you're beautiful. Everything in your life is so good. No. If you treat somebody badly, you'll be treated badly. Me, if you bully me, I'll bully you too. It just goes that way. Bye, guys. It's not stressful, but